A tree that is considered a keystone species. What a fantastic tree this is. Introducing Kalumpit terminalia microcarpa of the family Combritaceae, the family of Talisay. The genus name Terminalia comes from the Latin word terminalis, meaning of or belonging to a boundary or end. This may refer to the tree's growth habit or its position in the ecosystem. The species name Microcarpa is derived from the Greek words mikros meaning small and karpos meaning fruit. This indicates that the fruit this species produces is relatively small compared to other species in the genus. Kalumpit occurs throughout the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. It is a large tree attaining a height of 30 meters or more and a diameter of 80 centimeters at maturity. The buttress is small. Kalumpit wood is used for light construction such as cabinet work, furniture, ship planking, internal construction, flooring, and tornery. The fruits of kalumpit are edible and commonly used to make jam and preserves. It is also used to sweeten and age lambanog, a local wine. The bark of kalumpit contains tannins that are used as a lotion for the eyes and skin. This tree is vital in its habitat, providing food and shelter for wildlife. Its flowers attract pollinators, including bees, while its fruits are consumed by birds and mammals, which help in seed dispersal. The tree also contributes to soil stability, preventing erosion and enhancing soil fertility through leaf litter decomposition. Kalumpit is often considered a keystone species in its habitat due to its significant role in supporting ecological balance. What is a keystone species? Keystone species is a species that has disproportionately large impact on its environment relative to its abundance. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.